Weapons collected from a past disarmament exercise. File photo. June 10, 2025, Mayom County. The Paramount chief and local youth leader in Mayom County in Unity State have welcomed the order by the SSPDF for civilians to hand in all illegal firearms. They, however, said that the exercise should be expanded to encompass other areas because when done in one area, the disarmed people are left vulnerable to attacks from their neighbors who still have firearms. On Monday, the SSPDF announced a 7-day ultimatum for the people of Warrap State and Unity State's Mayom County to hand in illegal weapons or face forceful disarmament. Last Thursday, President Salva Kiir declared a 6-month state of emergency in Warrap State and Unity State's Mayom County following intensified intercommunal violence. Speaking to Radio Tamazuj on Monday after the announcement, Paramount Chief Justice Puok Tuil said disarmament will check revenge killings and other crimes. Disarmament is very important to us because it will address cases of revenge killings, cattle rustling, community clashes, and other crimes which affect the entire population in Mayom County, he stated. However, the disarmament exercise needs to be extended to Rung Administrative Area and Rupkona County within Unity State and Lake State because people from those areas can come and attack our innocent civilians. For his part, James Yall, the community leader in Puok, said the disarmament exercise is welcome but must be done peacefully through local chiefs who should mobilize people to hand over weapons to the government. When it is done forcefully, it will lead to the loss of so many lives from next week, he stated. More violence is going to happen in Warrap State and Mayom County next week if the government continues with the forceful disarmament of armed civilians in both areas. Yall added, the way forward is a peaceful disarmament plan. Meanwhile, Tab Dokfar, a civil society activist who doubles as the field coordinator of NAL Youth Development Action NYDA, echoed that the disarmament plan might create tensions between armed youth and government forces. It is not the best solution for the government to disarm one state and a county while the rest are not part of the disarmament plan because their criminals will come and attack innocent civilians who are disarmed, he said. The right people and stakeholders, like local chiefs, religious leaders, women, youth, and others, should have been consulted to address root causes. I am deeply concerned that this approach will lead to resistance and more violence, Doc added.
Ke diana to chaka Mayom. I check a deni SSPDF ke deni South Sudan chicken to Jabo Kamal. Go big a lot and done in Chaka Diola de Picanola play with, go big a mightin Kangor, a pluma becan of a cup. Chapter Turuman and Cono, I check a laden Chicago, check a make him con and tell Wargang. Chicken up chick tabano pendial, ke chickaway wake or cab tolkan might. A lot of more, or a lot miss it or a lot a lot can caught on the pie what a Mayom. Kayun tasted and I check a Danish South Sudan chicken with Arabo witch. Why chicken with your gamal, Kaja make the untray wit. Jaka no can or a cannon no can mal chicken mat have cool. And a modian garrod and tamaray wake a Mayom. A Kajana pie top. No go or duck on another no which at all and tamma. Chijimayam, chicken mat, care huma, chicken lar, darin jamun kuma. You can't never know wallet, median. I didn't quit the without today, Nichiko, chicken, my chicken, the cup, chicken, the dolphin, Jagamanani animal. Antama Raiwaka Mayom, Kayun tasted a Denukuma Kantuikana, Chigao, my dear chicken, the cup, Kamana. I make an dozen or cometican rapping, a puma. Now I didn't want the Natemia. July tell the Lonkatadun, Calcane, Mijamakan channel, Mukana Barbara, Dera Chumatkabuan, Kabubu Channel. Ke deja sapphire. Ponamo ajan yoto kusana la mukui support ke novel app konda negi. Can omisia be deno pajab, goro be and kalak, konomojan support on queen ling on air malane qua ke de neculo nyam kalanda, kodena no lara. Sukuya machala tell the long. That man. Do it.